Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Around Town, and the title of the video is Shoplifting Healthcare Worker Realizes She's Going to Jail for a While. Man, yo, let's get into it, man. Let's see what type of healthcare worker she is.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. We on the move. Move out. Hey, move out. Okay. Oh, broke the door. Hold on, boy.
Nope.
Oh, that was easy. She caught. Let's see, probably a CNA or something, you know. CNA, LPN, you know, one of those.
It's just me. I'm a little nervous because I couldn't see her for a minute. So
Well, I'm hoping she just shows the push out. Which door is she by?
she's closer to the
Not this one, but the other one?
Yeah, she's closer to the closed door.
Okay.
Plus you concealed back there inside the suitcase. It's a perfect spot.
Let me show. No, she makes it close to the... She's headed that direction-ish.
She's headed back to for kids.
Oh, she's back store. Okay. It's gonna take me a minute to get with these cameras.
That's all.
.736 from 701. The description is going to be fairly accurate. Blue scrub pants. Her top is like a pattern of light blue, medium blue, and purple in like cloud shapes. And then she's got wavy black hair, and she's a black female.
Now that's a good description.
She has like a bunch of makeup covering face tattoos. I think I've seen her before, but she had face tattoos. So I'm sure she can get them removed.
Do you have any other cases on her?
And I do not.
They do not.
It would be old, just SWAs, or you know, just reporting. Okay, she's back over. Maybe that was the plan. Get the suitcase, come back to infants.
So currently, she is that way and that way.
She's at the front, like all the way to the wall.
So front of the store, but all the way to the left.
Yeah, a little bit back from the front, but
Yeah, middle front. Okay.
Yeah.
And then that way's the front.
Yes.
Okay.
She thinks she good right now. She thinks she chilling right
After
now.
shutting up all that stuff, I was like, she's leaving it? If you're going...
I'm just happy she's not, or she's alone. That way it makes it a lot
I
easier.
hope she's alone.
Yeah, when they don't have a look at it, it makes it so much easier.
Yeah.
Have you gotten a look inside her purse at all? I know sometimes they kind of faint.
When she was, I think, concealing in it, it looked like she was, I couldn't know how well she could have been doing.
Okay.
She was behind a rack, so I couldn't really see her. She might have changed to the... It looks pretty empty, but you never know.
Yeah.
The suitcase is definitely full.
Yeah, so now she's kind of nearing
So
that front
that's
corner.
the front wall, yeah. Exactly.
So she thinks she just gonna walk out with a
It's hard.
suitcase?
You're so long, it's hard to judge how far she is from the door.
Yeah, get some kid stuff.
Those doors open.
You can get out it. It's
She's about to make it for the door. She's about 5 feet from it.
Let's go.
Got him. You're done.
Is your ID in here?
No, I don't know.
You want me to ID? What's your name? You know why you're being stopped?
Yeah.
We'll take you over this way now.
Okay.
I'm gonna read you this, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law or other proceedings. You have the right to the presence of an attorney during any questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you if you wish. Do you understand the rights I have provided you?
Yes.
I got 736 Miranda, please.
Is there any way to make the phone call for me?
I mean, let's do this first, and I'm more than happy to work with you, okay?
I'm kind of like, what?
Yeah, it's getting hotter out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can you spell your first name for me? What was your intention of coming here today?
I was just getting some clothes for me and my kids.
Okay. Did you intend to steal it? Yeah. Okay. Do you have any like credit cards or money or anything on you?
No, I don't.
No. Nothing in your car.
No, I have a bank card in my car.
Okay. But essentially, no money to pay for the merchandise, though, is what I'm trying to get. No methods of payment on your person to pay for the merchandise.
Are you talking about on my personal body?
Mm-hmm.
No, it was in my car.
Okay. Alrighty. You came here today to steal that, is that right?
No, I came here to pick somebody up, and when they wasn't here, then I just swung by the store.
Okay.
Something stupid I shouldn't have done.
Okay. So what was your purpose of coming here, though? You know, to get clothes?
Yeah, I was coming to shop. Mm-hmm.
Okay. But you essentially had no way to pay for it, though?
Yeah, I mean, I had ways to pay for it in my car.
Yeah, I double
You guys
upped it.
mind grabbing pictures?
I got it.
Of that and then a receipt, please.
Yes, I should take this too. It's dead empty and got
It might just be I'll ask him, but
it's brand new. Everything's just
they usually always bring something
It's new.
equal.
So, trust taxi. To see she was wearing her work this off. He wants us to pass something.
She might. Sounds good. Let him know I'm gonna get pictures and then receipt for him.
A lot of times with these people that actually, you know, steal from these stores, it's like they may have gotten away with it once or twice, right? Just like the guy was saying that, you know, I think she's probably covering up face tattoos. I think I've seen her before. But if you go and do something and then you don't get caught the second time, it's like, okay, you know what I mean? It's like, in my eyes, I think, you know, not to get, you know, this ain't religion and nothing like that, whatever. But I'm just saying, I think the man above, there is a higher power. The man above, he gonna let you slide once or twice. Listen, he gonna let you slide now. He gonna let you slide. But when you keep on going and stuff, oh yeah, you gonna get caught. He gonna put you in position to make you learn your lesson now. You know what I'm saying? Listen, everybody, you know, we get a pass once. You know what I'm saying? You gonna get a pass once. You know what I mean? Very rarely do you actually probably get caught your first time doing any type of crime in general. Like any, you know what I'm saying? Unless it's like something crazy, but like something real petty like this, it's like, all right, you might slide one time. You know what I mean? But you want to keep on doing, like, oh, what? Oh, you ain't learned your lesson? You ain't? I bet we gonna show you. We gonna show you now. Listen, you better get with your freebie and keep it pushing. You know what I mean? Do right. You know, when you do right things, you know, the right things, you know, get done back to you. You know what I'm saying? And all of that good stuff. But the man above, he gonna let you slide once. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, so she probably been doing little petty things throughout her life. You know what I mean? Little things. Probably never got caught. You know what I mean? So she thinks the thing is with these big stores and stuff like that, I mean, it's cameraed up. You know what I mean? It's cameraed up. You know, it may not seem like people are watching, but a lot of these places got loss prevention and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So, man, she just, it makes no sense for clothes and all that stuff. Like, go down to the thrift store or something. You know, that Goodwill or something. One of them places that, you know, you could get good clothes, but they cheaper. You know what I'm saying? I know times are tough right now. You know, inflation, everything is expensive. But you could go, there's places for you to get clothes for cheap. You know, you don't have to go and steal. That's just, it don't even make no sense.
Well, I saw her and she like ducked like she was gonna sprint out, and I was like, I don't know if they're ready for her to be sprinting out of here. Do you know if this is yours? We can't tell if it's a decoy or someone's.
Can you add this up?
Yeah, let me get them.
Okay, you're good. You're good.
She thought she was getting away with all of that?
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, that's a good amount.
Oh,
Well,
man.
yeah, your coach bag if you want it.
We can ask her about this.
It's hers, I would bet.
Like, actually her?
Well, she probably stole it from somewhere else, but they always bring a decoy purse. That way they can be like, well, I have my purse, I was going to pay for it.
Plus, no idea in it probably. So
No, nothing.
If something happened, and we were a place that could actually grab onto stuff.
Yeah.
To go run.
She immediately, so she saw Laurel, turned around right into the other officer, and then turned right back to the door. We're like, nope,
what's funny
it's
is
too late.
Is if she tried to come back in, that the inside doors would have been locked.
Nice.
Was there more that she left somewhere?
Uh-huh.
This is insane. This is a lot of money.
It's not as much as you think, sadly.
Really? I guess I'm used to Meijer, where this many clothes cost like $300.
I mean, yeah, it's probably $100, it's not like that. Oh, hey.
Can we go ask her about those?
You can. I mean, in the end, it's going to be hers. Well, we can hold it for evidence, for burglary tool, but, I mean, it's most likely, I mean, it's hers. She stole, like, everything else.
I hope she was stealing it.
She probably will.
I'll be right back.
Jen said.
What I say? Searching her car, found more stolen items. Been doing this stuff all along. Listen, he gonna give you one chance. He gonna let you slide once. You keep on, he gonna get you right. He definitely gonna get you right. This is ridiculous. You just going from store to store stealing. Like, come on now. That's, yeah. Lock her up. Send her away. She gone, man. She definitely gone, man. Don't make no sense.
Natasha, there's a lot of other stolen merchandise in your vehicle. Where'd you get that from?
That's not stolen. That's not stolen. That stuff been in my vehicle.
Lying.
Where did you get that from?
It came from the store at home. That stuff is old. That stuff, none of that stuff is stolen.
Oh, I've already been in contact with Meijer.
I didn't get nothing out of my mind.
Looks like you were there today.
I didn't get nothing out of my mind.
You didn't take nothing out of there? So what's the camera footage gonna show?
I didn't take nothing out of mine.
Were you there today?
But I didn't take nothing out of mine.
What other stores were you at today?
That's it. Just Myers, and I went to a gas station. That was it.
Okay. Who's your friend? Who's your friend that you dropped off?
No, I was supposed to pick up a friend.
Oh, you're supposed to pick up
his
from
name
where?
is Robert Lee. I was supposed to pick him up from the jury inn. That's the reason I ended up down.
Okay.
And he was already gone once I got here.
Okay. Alrighty. So, I would argue that that stuff is stolen in your vehicle. So we're going to impound your vehicle, okay, and we're seizing all the stuff that's in there. Okay? And then you're going to go to county for a couple felonies. Alright? So we're going to get you going here shortly.
Okay. Is there any way that you guys can get my cell phone on my phone?
Sure. You need anything else out of there?
Yeah, I have a little Coach purse which has my bank card and stuff in it.
Okay.
Cash-up phone.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.